Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a chart in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Select full data. Go to Insert tab, Chart, and automatically making a chart. Change chart type, column chart, combo chart, area chart, line chart, etc. See this many chart style. Okay, then example. Use combo chart, stacking, standard, 100%, none. Choose column or rows, customize chart style, background color, change background color, font color, chart border color, smooth, change chart bar color, single bar color, chart axis titles, series, error bar, data labels, legend, horizontal axis, vertical axis, grid line and tricks. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.